Sakto mo ng sound test dahil need muna nating mag-unbox. Aurashare BS08 Plus 20 watts Bluetooth speaker. 779 pesos from Shopee's Smartifact Technology. Ito na ang pinakamalakas na speaker na na-review ko. In the box is a Type-C charging cable and aux cable. This tiny owner's manual. And of course, yung BS08 Plus speaker na mismo. You know the drill, guys. Here we go. The design of the BS08 Plus is that of a soap bar. Top side are 6 tactile rubber buttons. Bottom is a rubber footing for friction with detailed specs on it. On the right side of the speaker is a passive radiator haloed by RGB lights. The back is mostly fabric speaker mesh. Atop it is a rubber flap. On the left side of the BS08 Plus is another passive radiator. Again, fabric speaker mesh up front, centered by Aurashare logo. This lanyard is a welcome addition to this heavy speaker. And this well-designed button layout gives the BS08 Plus a premium look. I am glad to report that these passive radiators are not just for show. They really do work the part, just like how it should be. The RGB lights can be switched off, and at the press of a button, back on again. Back of the speaker is a rubber flap. Peeling the rubber flap reveals the Type-C charging port, TF card, USB-A, and aux-in ports. A red LED is lit while charging. Once the battery is full, this light goes out. Now that's a nice fit. FYI, this soap bar speaker is really big and heavy. To turn on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. To pair, select Aurashare BS08 Plus. And then tap pair. Ayan, paired na. Time for the sound test. Sound performance. I'll just say it out straight. If its size and weight is okay for you, then get this BS08 over any speakers I have reviewed as of date. This right now is the best sounding speaker I have reviewed. It is the best speaker I have, period. This is better sounding than the 4.2 watts JBL Go 4. Plus, it's cheaper. The key to unlocking the BS08 Plus potential is a customized EQ. Manage the strong and loud 20 watts output and you'll hear magic. Granted, clarity is not the forte of the BS08, but it is almost there. Besides, somebody once said that it's all about the bass, diba? Well, the BS08 has plenty of bass, believe that. And the mids just needs modulation to your liking. Nail these three, and you'll appreciate this budget-friendly speaker even more. For its price, the Aurashare BS08 Plus is a really good speaker. I'll say it again, this is better sounding than the JBL Go 4. Thanks for watching up to this point. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po, Mate Swen, out!